All right, so how to do the paddle shifters in a Q50 non-sport. So what I did is there's this under shroud. This is a single piece shroud. I know on the sport models it comes with in 2-piece. These are all just clipped into the back, top up here and 2 down here. And paddle shifters are super easy. On the 2014 to 2017, I'm pretty sure all the 17s are like this. I'm not certain, but they come pre-wired. And the plug right here, this little guy, is actually taped up around these. And there's more tape than of that gray foam. And all you need to do is thread. This has a hole right here. Put it over the stud. All the studs are stock on all the factory cars. You need a 10mm bolt, and I found these screws in my hardware drawer. So super easy. Plug that in and bolt them down. Same thing on the other side. You can see if I can get you in there. Screw, bolt, also plug. Super easy. They're not the best, but definitely looks a little bit sharper in my opinion. And I got them for 80 bucks off Marketplace. However, these things, I do have a peasant model, and it's a manual tilt to shift, even though I don't think this is the first Q50 I've ever seen with that. But these shrouds, there's 3 different part numbers. So I'll put all 3 of the part numbers in the description for the ones that have the auto tilt, manual tilt. But the premium models are all 1 piece. The ones with the paddle shifters, whether it's manual tilt or the auto tilt, these pieces come in 2. And there's a second one here that clips 2 little screws, super easy. I'm gonna be rocking with it like this for probably a while, unless my Dremel skills end up pretty good tonight, but I don't know, we'll see how that plays out. Super easy to install. Maybe I'll put some driving clips after that, after this. Holy shit.